Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a haul video. It's a huge Amazon and Flipkart haul. I've shopped a lot during their Independence Day sale. So yeah, if you want to know what all the products are, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon. So don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. And I literally have a lot of it, like you can see. I hope you can see that there is a lot. These are just a few of the boxes, there are more as well. So I have all this as well. So first I will show you all what all I got from Flipkart. The first product is this Leave-On cream for curly hair, and this is a intense hydration, super smooth curls, controls frizz, well defined softer curls. So all that this claims, and this is how the tube looks like. I haven't used it, so I can't really say how is it, but the smell is really good. This has argan oil in it, and the smell is really good. I do have a lot of frizzy and curly hairs, and that's why I thought of investing in this one, because this was pretty inexpensive. This contains 100 ml of product in it, and I don't know how much it, this retails for 250 rupees, but I got all the products on a great discount. So yeah, this was the first product, and I'm super excited to try it out. Let's see how this works. Then the second product is this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Clay Purifying and Hydrating Shampoo. This is how it looks. It's still in the plastic. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm just gonna open it quickly and will show you all. So this is basically for oily scalp and hair. So this is how the shampoo looks like. It's really good if you have oily scalp. I personally have extremely oily scalp, and this is my current favorite shampoo. This is the second bottle I'm purchasing it. My first one I'm currently using it. It's almost halfway done. So I just restocked on this because I absolutely love this shampoo. And yeah, I got the bigger one. This is 400 ml of product in it, and this one retails for 282 rupees, but again I got it on a great discount. If you have oily scalp and you want a shampoo for that, then I will highly recommend you guys to try this one out. You will love this shampoo. So yeah, that was my next product. Next product is this is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Clay Rapid Revive Deep Conditioner. This has 2x hydration with pure clay, and this is for oily roots and dry ends. So they have mentioned that this is no leave-in time. That means this is not like a regular conditioner. You don't need to wait for 2 to 3 minutes to work that conditioner in. This you can directly apply it and rinse it off immediately, and that will provide you the same effect as the conditioner. So that's a really nice thing about this conditioner. I haven't tried this yet. I will pretty soon try this one. This was my first purchase. The shampoo I have tried it before, but the conditioner I haven't used it. So I thought I will give it a shot, and I got the no leave-in one because I personally don't like to wait for 2-3 minutes and then wash my hair. It's better to have something like this. So I'm really excited to try it out, and let's see how this works as well. This is the 180 ml one, and I got it for 240 rupees. Now the MRP is 240 rupees. I got it off, I guess, 160 rupees. I got it. It was on a great discount, so I thought of picking this one up. Next I got this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This is for all skin types, and this is how the bottle looks. It's still new. I haven't even opened this yet because I'm currently using the same one, and it's almost over. There's barely anything left, and I'm gonna soon start using this one. So this is my absolute favorite makeup remover. It also removes waterproof makeup, so which is a really nice thing, and that's why I really like this makeup remover. It's really good, and I absolutely love this. This one is the bigger bottle. I got the 400 ml one. I'm currently using as well the bigger bottle, and it lasts pretty long as well. This one retails for 399 rupees, but again I got all the products on a great discount, and I absolutely love this. If you haven't tried this, do give it a shot. You're gonna love this product. So next is this Essence Mascara. I can't really read the name because they have added the sticker on top of it. So this is the Essence Extension Mascara, I guess. This has a lengthening fiber in it, and this is a pretty big tube, and as you can see, I'm just gonna open it. So yeah, this is how the wand looks like. The wand is really nice. I'm super excited to try this out. This is how the wand looks like. I haven't tried this yet. I'm gonna soon do a first impression kind of a video on all this product, like makeup products. So let's see, I'm gonna super soon try this out as well. And yeah, that was it. This is pretty inexpensive. This retails for 320 rupees, but I got it for 200 rupees, I guess. So yeah, that was my next purchase. Then next I got this Nicka K eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. I got this in the shade Birthday Cake, and it's a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. I will just open it and I will show you all. This is how all the shade looks like. It's a very colorful palette. It has red, it has pinks, some shimmers as well. I'm just gonna swatch it. I have already swatched it as well. I'm just gonna swatch couple of shades for you guys. Oh my god, it's very pigmented. As you can see, I'm just gonna swatch it right here. Oh my god, it's super pigmented, very pigmented. I really like this palette. I don't know, there is a lot kickback though. We'll check this out as well. And at the back they have also mentioned that you can use it as a blush as well. Like this 3 and this 1, 4 shades you can use it as a blush as well. So this is like a multi-purpose eyeshadow palette and very colorful palette as well. So if you want to create colorful looks, then you can definitely go for this. And it's pretty like hype nowadays, so that's why I wanted to try it out. I also wanted the shade called Under the Sea. It was out of stock, so I got this. This is a Birthday Cake. I'm gonna soon get that one as well. As soon as it gets in stock, I will buy it. And this one originally retails for 599 rupees, but I got it for 300 rupees from Flipkart, and it was a pretty good deal, and that's why I picked it up. And I'm super excited to try this out. I guess it is great for beginners. I'm gonna soon try it out as well. Let's see how this works. And yeah, that was my next product. Then the last product from Flipkart I got is this lip gloss. Now I haven't opened this. I'm just gonna quickly open this. So this is the Rimmel London Oh My Gloss lip gloss. It's basically a lip gloss, and this is how it looks like. As I told you all in my last video as well, in my Nykaa haul, that I want to try like experiment with lip glosses as well. Like I want to purchase new lip glosses because I don't own any lip gloss. Now I do own a Nykaa lip gloss, and this is my second lip gloss. This one retails for 399 rupees, and this contains 6.5 ml of product in it. I'm gonna quickly give you a quick swatch. Oh, I guess it's a clear gloss. Watch it right here. The clear gloss with a hint of shimmers in it, like pink, baby pink kind of shimmer in it. This is the swatch right here. I will soon try it out. Let's see how this works. I haven't wore it on my lips. So that was my last product from Flipkart. Now I will show you all what all I got from Amazon. So the first product is this Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. This prevents pimple, and this is the 400 ml of product. So this is the first product I got from Amazon. Now this is a face wash. I absolutely love this face wash. If you have been following me from a while, and if you have watched my empties video as well, have talked about this face wash, that how much I love this. It's my absolute favorite face wash, and I absolutely love this. So I got the bigger bottle of it. I'm currently using the 200 ml of bottle, and which is almost over, so I got this one. So it's like a repurchase itself. So this is the 400 ml, and this one retails for 350 rupees, but I again have got it on a discount. And this also comes with a pump, and it's gonna last me pretty long because obviously it's so huge. If you have oily, acne prone skin, you're gonna love this face wash. Do give it a try. I absolutely love this. I guess even dry skin people can use this, but I'm not sure about dry skin. But oily and acne prone skin, this is like a magic product for you guys. So yeah, this was my first product. So this is the Palmolive body butter. This is Coconut Joy exfoliating body wash. This has a real fruit seed in it, and this one is 250 ml of product. So I actually wanted the spa one. The bottle looks the same. I don't know whether it's the same and they have changed the name or no, but this says Coconut Joy in it, and I wanted the spa one. Looks same, so I don't know whether it's same or different. This one retails for 190 rupees for 250 ml of product, and I'm actually using the blue bottle from this. I don't remember the name. That is also for spa, something like that the name is. I'm not sure about the name. I actually wanted something else, but I'm not sure whether it's the same one. If you have tried it, do let me know whether it's the same or no. So yeah, this is how it looks. Then next I got this Derma Suction Pore Cleaning Device with vacuum action. This says removes blackheads and dirt from pores. No more squeezing, cordless and portable. This is how the box looks like. Now this product doesn't do anything for the blackhead, but yeah, it does remove the gunk from your pores and it does cleanses your pores, so that is a really nice thing about this. But if you want this product for specifically for your blackheads, then I will say don't go for it. Invest in a tool that is a blackhead remover tool. With that, it's much easier. This doesn't remove your blackhead. Yeah, it definitely cleanses your pores and removes the dirt. I have used it once, and so I'm telling it to you guys. I will just open this. This comes with a user manual as well. They have mentioned everything, how to use and everything in this, so it's very handy. And this is how it looks like. Now I don't want to drop it, so yeah, this is how it looks. Now this has a 1 and 2 speed, so there is a speed control as well, and you just need to insert the batteries. They don't provide you any battery, so you have to insert your own battery. So this has 4 nozzles. One is oval shape, one is large, one is small, and one is for exfoliating. So this has this little bit of harsh thing, so it's great for exfoliating. I got it for like 300 rupees, so it was pretty inexpensive, and yeah, you can definitely go for it if you want to try it out. The next I got this Bonjour Palace Coat Me Smudge Proof Eyeliner. This is the white eyeliner, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Now this one is the white one, and it says waterproof eyeliner, smudge proof and stuff like that. Now this one retails for 199 rupees, and I don't think there was a much discount on this. So this is how it looks like. So I've created a look that is the Independence Day look. So if you haven't checked that out, do follow me on my Instagram and check that out as well. My ID is right here, which is Tejal_Palyekar. So do follow me there as well. So yeah, I have used that in that picture to apply it in my cut crease. Now this one is like an okayish product. I will swatch it right here, and as you can see how this, it's not even. So this is like an okay eyeliner, but when you apply it on your eyes, if you apply like 2-3 coats of this, then it works. I wanted a white eyeliner, so I got this one because there wasn't any other options. I wanted the Bella Voste one, but that was also out of stock, and I urgently needed a white eyeliner. So I got this one because this one was the last option that I had, and I actually had checked the reviews as well. It was like an okay product. Then next I got this Blue Heaven soft kajal eyeliner. It's basically a kajal pencil. This was in a combo set of 2. One was a blue and one is green. Now this one also was a great deal, so I got this. So I've used the blue one on my waterline again on the same look for the Independence Day look, and I thought I will use the green one as well, but these are a bit shimmer. This is not matte. I actually thought it's a matte kajal, so that's why I got it, but it has a shimmer in it, and I have already opened it. I will just swatch it right here. It's very pigmented and very creamy as well, so if you want, you can definitely go for it. This one was the green one. I will swatch it, and this is the blue. Now as you can see, this one is the blue one and this one is the green one. It's very pigmented, has a little bit of sheen in it as well, so I just used the blue one for that look, and I used something else for the liner. And it also has a sharpener, as you can see, at the bottom, so you just need to open it up and you can sharpen it as well if you like pointed kajal. So yeah, this was my next purchase. The last product is a kurti set, just a one kurti set I got from Amazon. This is how it looks like. I will insert a picture of it. This is like a 3/4 sleeves in it. It is made in India, and it's from this brand called Idalia. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I got this, and I got it in a medium size, and it fits perfectly. And I haven't wore it yet. I will pretty soon wear it, and I will upload a picture on my Instagram. So if you haven't been following me there, then do follow me there. I will insert like a full picture of it pretty soon whenever I wear it. It's a very pretty kurti. I absolutely love this. This has this 2 tassels as well, and there is a little bit of embroidery work right here. So I absolutely love this, and it has a cut as well. So I don't know, I will just insert a picture of the model because I can't really show you all the kurti and all. So yeah, that was the kurti, and also it comes with this plazo. It's a very beautiful mint green color plazo, and it has this prints of yellow as well. It's a full length plazo. So yeah, that was my last product, and I got it from Amazon for rupees 9.95. It was on a great discount, so I picked it up. And yeah, that's about it. I have shown you all of it, and I know it's a pretty long video, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this video as well. If you did like this video, then please hit on that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button, there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.